Kong Hey Patchoy, welcome to Golden Prince Hotel. Hey guys. Ay, abot ay Cebu.
Even na ko na-encounter.
Happy Chinese New Year, Ma'am Chi. Are you president sa Cebu Wrestling Park? Hello?
Kung Shipakay.
Kung Shipakay, Kong Hey Patchoy. Sa mga taga-Bohol diyan, namin sa Cebu.
Yeah.
Abangan niyo si Ma'am Chin dyan.
Thank you so much.
Primary Home, shout out.
Please join Sarel.
Yes. Primary Homes, Bohol, hello. Kong Hey Patchoy, Sir Peter. Pit Senyor, Sereb. Kailan na kita balik karon for the 2025. More sales sana.
Yes.
And then,
Momentous occasion, I now call this meeting to order.
Okay, thank you very much for our in-hour APP operating by VIS.
Meeting for the National Parade, that's the Philippine Association.
Oh.
birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
So, inilisod kay ni akong topic kay we talk on legal matters on an afternoon. Festive pa kayo mga naong karon na legal concerns sa itong istoryahan.
So, for the pinning of Sarah Pin, we'd like to call on Miss Emily Camiliana.
Hi ma'am.
At ay natuwag mga new members, ha?
Hi, our new national president, Ma'am Kita.
Pin Senyor!
Pin Senyor! Yes, hey guys, welcome to Cebu City from Cotabato po.
Thank you so much.
Yes. For the paralegal something, no? Seminar.